The drone world is buzzing once again, and this time, it's all about DJI. Leaked promo images, rumored accessories, and even early pricing details for the DJI Mini 5 Pro have just surfaced, and they're giving us our clearest look yet at what could be the most exciting compact drone of 2025. From a sleeker, more aerodynamic design to a potentially upgraded camera system, smarter accessories, and DJI's next-gen transmission tech, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be much more than just a minor refresh. But here's the big question. Is this upgrade really worth the higher price tag, or is DJI simply polishing up the Mini 4 Pro and calling it new? In this video, we're breaking down every detail from the leaks, design, camera, accessories, pricing, and more, to find out if the DJI Mini 5 Pro truly lives up to the hype. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The drone world has always been full of excitement, leaks, and anticipation, but whenever DJI is at the center of attention, things go to a whole new level. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has been the talk of the town for months now, and with the latest wave of leaks, promo images, and even some information about accessories and potential pricing, it finally feels like we're starting to see the full picture of what DJI's next compact powerhouse will look like. In today's video, I'm going to break down everything we know so far, from the leaked promo shots that give us our best look yet at the design, to the rumored accessories that could change the way creators use this drone, all the way down to the pricing breakdown that reveals how much this upgrade might cost you. By the end of this deep dive, you'll have a clear idea of whether the DJI Mini 5 Pro is going to be worth the hype, and more importantly, whether it will be the drone that finally redefines the lightweight category once again. Let's start with the leaked promo images, because these are easily the biggest clue into DJI's strategy with the Mini 5 Pro. From the pictures, it's clear that DJI isn't reinventing the wheel. Instead, they're refining what worked so well with the Mini 4 Pro and adding just enough futuristic polish to make the Mini 5 Pro stand out. The body appears slightly more aerodynamic, with smoother edges and a slimmer profile, which suggests not only improved portability but potentially better wind resistance during flight. The arms look a bit sturdier as well, which could mean DJI is focusing on stability and durability for users who often push their drones in challenging outdoor conditions. One of the most noticeable details in the images is the gimbal housing. It looks a bit larger, hinting at an upgraded camera sensor or new stabilization hardware. If the leaks are accurate, the Mini 5 Pro could be stepping up its game in terms of low-light performance and cinematic smoothness, which is huge for content creators who demand professional-level footage in a compact package. Accessories are another big highlight in the leaks, and this is where DJI is clearly doubling down on making the Mini 5 Pro an ecosystem rather than just a drone. The promo material shows a new modular battery system that looks slightly larger, which could mean extended flight times compared to the Mini 4 Pro. Considering how battery life has always been a major concern for drone pilots, even an extra 5 to 7 minutes of flight could make a massive difference when capturing that perfect shot. There are also mentions of a redesigned remote controller, one that seems to combine the best features of the DJI RC2 and RC Pro. If true, this new controller might come with a brighter built-in display, better transmission range, and more customizable buttons for pro-level control. Other accessories spotted in leaks include ND filter packs, propeller guards, a new charging hub, and potentially even a compact shoulder bag